Uber and Lyft have changed taxi sector. According to Adam Smith, the capitalism is built on uneven distribution of information. Shortly, how it works: the seller, he knows more than the buyer. The seller knows where to take goods, how much it will cost, where to take cheaper, and the most important, that buyer wants to buy it. In this case, seller can play with the price, and this difference in having information and lack of information creates interest and in some cases business. Internet changed this rule. Thousands of websites offer you at the same time to compare price of goods, price of airplane tickets, of hotels or hostels, places to stay, and even if the buyer, the customer, is a lazy one, he will spend his time and compare how much it costs. That's why a lot of businesses are closing to reborn and to adopt to new rules, to new era. Traditional businesses cannot compete because Uber and Lyft have changed taxi sector, Airbnb has changed the hotel sector, and now you having only your place can compete with Hilton and Marriott, and most probably you will win. This tendency that I'm explaining is called sharing economy. And even if definition is new, the idea is not that new. For example, outsourcing the business that started being practiced like 20 years ago is one of them. Another example are laptops. Almost all laptops in the world have been manufactured on only 3 factories in China and Taiwan. Secondhand, one more example, business incubators, another example, or the most common example are buses. Together, it's cheaper and funnier. So shared usage of power and of assets, cars, flats, houses, servers, offices, clothes. This will increase the effectiveness and will decrease expenses, and for sure it will improve the quality of our life. Wait, isn't this what communists were teaching? So you mean where old industrial model failed, where USSR failed, internet wins? Let's call it communism 2.0. The Western community afraid of the phrase communism as a hell. That's why they create new definitions like shared economy. The communist leaders, according what they did, they never been industrialists. They were more like feudals. Lack of information made it job. The system stopped and at the end collapsed. According Adam Smith, at the end of its existence, Soviet Union became something like super capitalist monopoly. I'm not talking about taking from one and sharing with others. I'm talking about shared usage that will keep the private property, and in some parts it will make it even stronger. So we will create new mechanisms to support and to protect it. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe my channel, and write in comments what you disagree. It's not hard for you, it's easy for me. Bye bye.